Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Install the Rtools release that matches your R version, and immediately add its bin folder to path so Rstudio can see GCC and make. Once done, open R and run pkg build. Has build tools, debug equals true to get actionable diagnostics. Make sure to close and reopen Rstudio after path changes so the IDE picks up the environment. This ensures toolchain visibility and prevents later surprises when building packages from source. Next, configure the tools so building becomes reliable. Run pkg build. Find Rtools and pkg build. Has build tools to confirm installation paths and permissions. If you need custom compiler flags or library paths, create or edit the makevars or makevars. Win file in your home. R folder. This is where optimization flags and includes /library paths live. Install DevTools and remotes to simplify building and installing from GitHub. Once configured, test by calling DevTools. Build. Finally, verify everything with a real build. Install a package from source or use DevTools. Install GitHub to exercise compilation. Once the build runs, inspect sys, which make, and the rcmd install log for missing headers or linker errors. If you hit failures, make sure Rtools version matches your R release and that the Rtools bin paths are exported. Also check antivirus or Windows Defender may quarantine executables. This single troubleshooting tip, confirm path and version alignment, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.